Module 3, Personal Safety. Module 3, Assessment Criteria. State the importance of personal safety in a fire situation. State the procedure to be followed for safe evacuation. State how to check fire safety equipment is serviceable and safe to use. Recognize the importance of reporting fire safety issues to their manager. List the main types of portable firefighting equipment and their safe operating parameters. Personal safety. Fire spreads by radiation, convection, conduction, and direct burn. On hearing the fire alarm, leave calmly but promptly via the nearest exit to the fire assembly point, closing doors and windows behind you. Do not stop to collect belongings, as this could delay your evacuation or delay other people by blocking emergency escape routes. If smoke is present on your evacuation, stay down as low as possible, as the air will be cooler and clearer as the heat and smoke rises due to convection. Checking fire safety equipment. All faulty fire safety equipment to be reported immediately. Detectors should be tested weekly and cleaned regularly to remove dust and insects. Battery-operated or backed-up detectors should have batteries changed at least annually, or as stated on the detector. Sprinklers should be serviced by the supplier or manufacturer on a regular basis. Extinguishers should be checked weekly to confirm they are charged, if required, and that the plastic tag is still intact, showing that it has not been used or tampered with, and annually by an extinguisher engineer. Alarm panels should be tested as part of the weekly fire alarm test. All employees should be able to silence the alarm, only on request from the fire service. Fire procedures. What you must know. Company fire procedures. How to raise the fire alarm. How to call the emergency services. The location of the nearest fire exit and an alternative, where the fire assembly points are located. All employees should take part in a fire evacuation drill at least once a year. Location of firefighting equipment. Notifying the fire service. Information required. Address, location of the fire, any known hazards or vulnerable persons, any casualties or persons not accounted for. Action in the event of fire. Report to the fire assembly point. Pass on any relevant information to the fire service. Only return to the building after the fire service have given the all clear. Do not use the lifts. Use the stairs. The lift may open onto the fire. The lift may stop. Smoke and fumes will enter the lift. The lift may be grounded. Information on fire extinguishers, plastic seal, overpin. Contents gauge, type of extinguisher, method of operation, class of fire suitable for use, service maintenance date. Fire classification. 1. Flammable liquids, for example, petrol, meths, solvents, etc. 2. Cooking fats. 3. Flammable gases, for example, methane, hydrogen, etc. 4. Free burning materials, for example, paper, wood, plastics, etc. 5. Metals, for example, potassium, sodium, magnesium, etc. 6. Fires involving electricity. Fire extinguishers. Water. This has a red body, suitable for use on Class A fires, wood and paper, etc., not suitable for combustible liquids, cooking fats, etc. Not safe to use on fires involving electricity. Extinguishes by cooling. Fire extinguishers, water mist. This also has a red body, suitable for use on Class A, B, C, and F fires. Extinguishes by cooling. Fire extinguishers, foam. Red body with cream label. Suitable for Class A and B fires. Not suitable for use on fires involving electricity. extinguishes by cooling and sealing the surface of a burning liquid. Fire extinguishers, powder, red body with blue label. Best on Class B fires, but safe to use on any type of fire. Extinguishes by chemically interfering with the combustion. Do not use in a confined area due to inhalation. Fire extinguishers, carbon dioxide, red body with black label. Best on Class B fires. Safe to use on fires involving electricity. Extinguishes by reducing oxygen levels and cooling. Not to be used in confined areas, can cause asphyxiation. Fire extinguishers, wet chemical, red body with a yellow label. Specifically designed for use on cooking oil or fat fires. Can be used on Class A fires. Extinguishes by smothering and cooling. A fine nozzle creates a mist spray which reacts with the oil or fat. Do not use on electrical fires. Operating fire extinguishers. Select the correct extinguisher. Pull the pin to break the seal. Holding the extinguisher upright, squeeze the trigger. Test the range and content away from the fire. Use the correct technique for the type of extinguisher to attack the fire. All extinguishers should be inspected annually by a competent person, such as an extinguisher engineer. Fire extinguishers, blanket. Label is usually red or white. For use on any type of fire, but best on small contained Class B fires. Extinguishes by smothering. Normally used in kitchens. One use only. Firefighting. Only attempt to fight the fire if the alarm has been raised, the emergency services have been contacted, the fire is not spreading and is confined. You have a clear escape route path, not threatened by fire. You have selected the correct extinguisher. You have received practical training. Do not attempt to fight the fire if it is bigger than a waste paper bin size, if you need more than one extinguisher. The room is filling with smoke. You do not have a clear escape route. Gas cylinders or chemicals are involved. Your efforts are not reducing the size of the fire. You do not have the correct extinguisher. You have not been trained to use a fire extinguisher. Summary. Be fire safety conscious. Know your fire emergency procedures. Don't use lifts. Use the stairs to evacuate. Know your fire assembly point. Know the escape routes. Know the locations of fire equipment and how to use it. Don't use water or foam on electrical fires. Report any fire hazards. And finally, fire safety at home. Test smoke detectors weekly. Replace batteries at least once a year. Locate in all rooms with electrical equipment, including bedrooms. Don't forget TVs, games consoles, computers, etc. Remember, never leave lighted candles unattended.